house, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us. Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our client service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at 7 Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct.
Enyomne mede ayo etie for say mede nyomne besi ana afedie ya hwe kwan a yede na dwumedie ebebremom ya bo nonkron apemu pepepe na chese 9:30 na ye dwumedie no aso say yede bebremo legal hour with Bwf Solicitors for and then so Sarah na meka mi sha ase ka ye ne yebeda otwede ampo ase yebeda na ase say wa maye nkwa wa maye mrem wa maye ahoden na ya san hiemu ha mi Facebook fans nyinara nyame inhira mo mi Facebook fans nyinara nyame inhira mo mia ene minimu bedi dwumedie se ne amonim no mediane manyenate opedin tenteni dia eye manye ana adokale ojengbate mbi a nitietia no ye manyenate ntino trese na ye legal hour no emu odeyie emu be deyie ntino frɛ wonu e bi frɛ wadamfo bi frɛ o papa bi o maami bi se emre na so se ye nsɛmsɛm a ɛfa emre mu no nsɛm kenya efa emre mu nyina no emre na so se ye san be hyem na ya tutututu nioma yie nioma ye nim yesua ho enimdie Munioman so a so a yenim senia ye fare ba senia ba no hina na obechire yen ti se yen na yensumfo Bwf Solicitors for na yen papa Bernard Owusu edi enimu no one yen ebe go through yen na ye friend Uncle Ben emre na sum bomodian na frefru bi mesremu mikoto dweso se obomodian na tune in ewo Facebook na uko Facebook na wo yen anasa uko YouTube na wo yen na mesremu ni die mo monchiche na obi nso enti nansen obi de adanse ebre me se on nam Facebook no ohun so obi a share program bi no si o share de kode okotie just about 20 minutes along the time na oditie na sembi eda na kuma so apɛ ho lawyers kra kyese ohun kwan a obefa so asasem na obi ebisa the same thing ama wenya ho muaye ohwa no di America ekohun sa lawyers ene nyame adom wenya ne nkrata ugina ne na so to me tu kwan koba enye COVID-19 yanka nga wakoga na be 3 times kra sa enti bomodia dansidie sei na ye hwehwe se wososo ubeche na edwumedie akwechi bomodia na share with the just pressing the share button alone will not cost you anything but it will go a long way to save somebody's life into please with the me pamocho mon share na program no enko afenso Ubaswa like it uba YouTube na like it channel no like it channel na fenso na wa click on the bell na was notification bell na was no wa click it enti abribia such programs beba your way no be hun say no abe notify o say emre na so enuam na adofo mommo yanko ne yemboaboa ye ho na asomdwe embra yentem enenuoma ekosu nuoma ekosu amai se wuti ho na wonnim ne ekosu ana chese wayera enti bomodia se wunya bibi se ya tweben na besua bibi just don't come to the page and leave. Just as soon as you come, make sure you stay at least. So want to me stay for all the 1.5 hour no crash. Stay there 1 hour. Be net see near air course na one so be inshra at the amount. This is GN Radio. You've tuned into Bwf Solicitors Legal Hour with GN Radio. Please don't go anywhere. Just stay tuned and listen to this very good education based on legal matters. Also, you can get us on website mygnradiouk.com. When you go on your laptops, on your computers, you can tune into www.mygnradio.com or get to Facebook GN Radio UK. Also, we are on Twitter, we are on TUNEIN. You can get TUNEIN on all phones, Android phones, Apple phones, any kinds of phone. You can get us on GN Radio UK on the TUNEIN app, and then you can tune in there and listen to us. Also, we are on YouTube as well. Those of us who don't like Facebook, when you go to YouTube, you can get us there as well. As soon as you get to YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also click the notification button so that we can always get to you whenever we are on program. And we have 3 numbers that you can call, 3 numbers that you can call to participate or ask your question on this particular program. If you have any concern, any opinion, any question at all based on what we are doing, please, you can get us on these 3 numbers that I will put along way as soon as we start the program. Yes, manyeti ni ana manyenate ni yedi edwumede no be sha se yem record yem waste time cry yem papa ayem aye crado all twen yen Mr. Facebook for mo na me twen se mon share na nkwechichichi mon share na nkwechichi na ye hu se edwumede na ayeje mon share maye yo tifo Sanya yeno BWF Solicitors ayene ombedi dwumen BWF Solicitors medical account ho nsam kakra e de actual BWF Solicitors for ewo 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road ne so ewo 7 Sisters ubenya BWF Solicitors omo postcode ne N154NP me science esusubium 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters London N154NP. They have all the numbers for the lawyers, but one particular number who friend now share any of the lawyers now they will get to you. 0208 493 7340 message should be 0208 493 7340. Sa number we bomodiana for 2 phones so na kipi na san fama wonu bi say ohia bibia every lawyers hunsem ohia bibia say lawyer ne be boa no ohia bibia say e kire na adwen enam emremu a onbomode am fresa number yi na onbisa lawyers bi ti say Uncle Bernard, lawyer bi ti say lawyer Eunice, lawyer bi ti say lawyer Richard, lawyer bi ti say lawyer Francis, and now say lawyer Patrick omunyina adwumedi omo abian kasankasa na se opesa okọ BWF Solicitors for asoya obetumi akọ by tube no ofru tube na tube ne underground train meka tube na je say underground train na meka ho asemi we see was 7 Sisters tube station ne pepepe exit 2 no na wabomoden upie ya obehu abansoro kakraka bi esiwenim entrance na exit 2 na lead to the entrance bomode na hwe sign post na ebo enim no obehu say ya tro ebi say BWF Solicitors omo 4th floor into ufra obeko 4th floor ho na wakohu omo ho na say unam with bus nso a buses be brain na nam 7 Sisters enim ho no ebi 149 bus 76 bus 243 bus 259 bus 279 and I said 318 and 476 na nyina enam 7 Sisters enim ho no na se adom so woka na wutwi na upese wodi kɔ hɔ a udo 7 Sisters ho na ye wo Tesco kakra kebi wo junction ni mu a Tesco kakra kebi wo honom sa Tesco no betumi akɔ parke 90 minutes na chese sa 90 minutes na kra betumi de akodi wedwuma entemtem na wasan ba ntino BWF Solicitors omonye yira kwan kra na edwumedi a omoye ho ade pa edwuma ketinka me anan ebi family law immigration litigation ni dispute resolution and I say Ghanaian law ni ho practice nyina omoye ho ade mesa aka ho nsem kakra BWF Solicitors for ye ban law society accreditation and make us accreditation ya yense mu no ye ka say wo ko school na see akra we ya man distinction na say distinction o de mu fia o de mu ankasa na say wo ya de papa sanso na ye de ban law society accreditation mo na say BWF Solicitors omo quality mark quality mark at I said distinction no family law mo any immigration na say nsem bia from A to number Z from number 1 to 3 Cillian William nyina no immigration and na say family law mo na say bebia omenya moaye e de amount bebia omenya moaye say moaye mba ya na say law no nyanyeye na no quality marks on family law and immigration no krabehwe bomodia na kayen ho na ene yinya yem papa senior partner Uncle Ben and I say Mr. Bernard Owusu is here with us today intino ye de dwumedie no ebe hyase yenko ahomane so na yenhwe se yen papa twen ya yes waye krado twen yen enti good morning Uncle Ben.
Good morning na manye na anope ho fe na ekun sai
ayadom nkwa o papa me dance ayadom nkwa
de radiase se mo nyina mo ho ye de
Pachadum, yenina yehoye.
Okay.
Nampacho munso e honso e.
Yehowa dom yehoye I'm say when I no more asesa kakra, but apart from that there yenina obia hoye.
Yo, yati. Mesramo obi ashase efre edwumedi afa ne ashase enti no moma yem the first 15 minutes no ne mfa nkyerɛkyerɛ nneɔma ene ye wo mamo enti no ye wie eno a ansa na ye bie telephone lines no e de atom enti mpatwa wa wo frɛ no o de interrupt me conversation with Uncle Ben Mr. we need demo wo nama ene with 2431. Can you please cut the line na my 15 minutes next 15 minutes no na yen chre nioma ye wo mamo ene ye mamo a bit of education about what is going on and the things that we are going to talk about na nioma ene ye beka no se me be bibi so kakra na che se yenhwe se ye beka se opese tips yanka tips kakra wo pese ubenya say o applying for a successful visa abakromu ha no na ye behwe ehun nsem kakra ne aka embia wo pese obesra UK enche bia emsa aka 1 day or 2 day na ye bie borders no na si ye bie a minim Ghana de but kromu ha de ye bie bia wo ba bi pese obesra UK kwan ben na obefa so na waba na aya asumdwe titru visitors visa enti ene ye wo ahomane so Uncle Ben mpaucho mema ho kwan na wo de education no abrɛ na fedie uwie a na ya metiefo ho kwan na omo nso mo bi so mo ho nsem mpacho ekwan da ho
yo say anopay ye beda radiase se wa ma ye nkwan yetimi asori ye beda ye nuanom nso a omo abejoin yen e wo Facebook omo tie yen wo TUNEIN radio omo tie yen wo online omo tie yen wo YouTube munyina yadamase se mababe kan ho na ene no nhyehyɛ no usually no aya the topics are yefa no ye subjects are ebia ataba na yehu se nsɛm wɔ ho na yɛpɛ ye kyerɛkyerɛ ye nuanom no sɛ na wombetimi ayɛ na ɔmayɛ successful ti ene topic a yefa no ayɛ visitors visa but se dodo na amo bakromo ha also mo ya application na ye ma omo permission no mutimi ba na mo ba na kyese omo kɔ na say dodo na nso be ka kyerɛ se visitors visa nya no emu edin ebi wɔ hɔ a na ebi okura bibia enso ne refuse no obi nso wɔ hɔ a sabio na ebi a reason omo de man no na kyerɛ sɛ ye bibi ketewa bi ana sɛ bibi a omo pa kyerɛ sɛ wamfa mba enso bɛhɛ no na ɔde ade no kɔ na because oni right of appeal ana sɛ ɔfeel sɛ oni right of appeal nti obɛhu sɛ dodoɔ na egya yɛ kyerɛ di na ansa na mɛkɔ so no last week say mɛka sɛ case bi called court saa case no for fee say you be no recourse no free awofo so titru yenuanom ma na mema mo hwe nkola sa case na a friend case of L through his litigation friend no was the Secretary of State no na a high court decision tini emu bi kra feel say home office for no ebe ya appeal banyame ncha de and Friday me wie me program me do officer na home office omo decision atum na decision no de ma no edi emu a yemu bi ye nde bebree edi ma ye nuanom a sabio bi a sabia ho kyerɛ bi wɔ hɔ enti na wɔ sɛ otimi kɔ ne yi no recourse ne free ne so na otimi ekɔgye support ɛwɔ aban hɔ ana sɛ ɔkɔpɛ dan na yɛde dan no ma no but because no recourse no wɔ no so no na otimi ɛnkɔ mobɛhyɛ no nso a mmiri pii no nkurɔfoɔ ɛkɔyɛ no recourse na deɛ ba ne sɛ ebia no obi ɛhwɛ no ana sɛ asɔre bi aso ne mu ana obi ama ne dan a otim nti wobɛte bebree na so there be because sɛ wowɔ baabi te no wonyɛ destitute no kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ baabi te a sɛ bio wowɔ aduane di nti na kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ okay but court case yi de abɛka ho sɛ nipa no and then on your destitute, but share send an sitting na enchebia or by a destitute, and I send a hobetrena. I will say we eat salary costs in the free so. The home office I show more guidance notes ma fit last week Friday no or day year juma. Intima encourage munina sabio more person we no recourse in the free so. So we are juma, so we are juma, so be show, so being show. And dear was so we say we application. Now most more yam application now more call for extension no. Baba no patch I say we have application now. I was say utimi chere the ntie was say yemfa no recourse no nto so. It's very important say we have our application now. We be disclose. Na mmom ba hye bi omo wo aban so say when disclose kra na onu hu bibia e betimi ama wo ho akere wa e wo say oba e be bisa wo na wo the evidence na be support. Ti ade am say ni can be brave e ma yenua no. The other part say mede to us no visitors no. First of all we better say na visitors visa no any day. So we call your immigration rules your free be appendix V. Appendix V, you know, you're part of the immigration rules. The immigration rules from part 1 they call part 10. Now this part now immigration rules, you know, I cover different types of visitors visa. Because you were marriage visitor. You were student visitor, and you were work visitor, and you were general visitor, and you were child visitor. You were visitors, you know, you were different types. Be concentration and then mainly, you know, a general visitor, and no do na na. First of all, no visitors visa from 1.1 they call 4.2 V 1.1 they call V 4.2 no. Emma wo ehye. Say, we have visitors visa application now. I was so near maybe. Ebi ne say well we are genuine visitor. Genuine visitor na se kira na say wo ba wo be fi kromo ha. Na se kira no. Ebiom wo betimi atua wo passage ana to ticket e de aba. Na wo ba nso a wo ba bi ti wo betimi ahwe wo ho wa bra wo nkoje aban sika. Now, I do na no the issue no about genuine visitor no. I don't know who say omo refuse application na. Me akase say wonya genuine visitor. Enti ye refuse application no. But the aya a client through mutitiru no say. Obo so almost the account say. So we application bia ye be hwe application foforo na waye no. And only a dear higher decision. No, so I refuse a dear Maui. Sir, Bibi, ye generous with your refuse, no answer, sir. Naturally, sir, we application be umkrana, ye best refuse. No, Massa can't chat to. We need right of appeal. Engineer the decision, our browser. First of all, no, I dear me person be a Shannon, so say, we have visitors visa. I was said what they were best evidence, a cat application. No. The standard requirement, you know, visitors visa no money specified evidence, but we have guidance notes now. And my advice about Niema, I was out the count. It be our passport, it be our bank statement, it be our pay slips near Jumamo letter. And there I will buy I was out the evidence in account. Wo ba no baby a wobetena say your hotel and I say your nua and our dam for be fee and our yere and our girlfriend and our partner fee for evidence in account. Na se nipa na wo ba betena ne nkyɛn no ɔno nso no ɔte kromo ha na once a wokɔtena ne nkyɛn na wo so ɔno nso de ne bank statement ne pay slips ɛka ho anaasɛ the means of income say your benefits anaasɛ ɛyɛ maintenance payment from the ex-partner ɛwɔ sɛ wodi ne nyinaa ka ho deɛ nti ɛte saa ne sɛ although sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɔtɔ ticket ama wo no wo ba betena ne nkyɛn. Enti ɛyɛ important say wo no watimi akyerɛ wɔ Ghana sɛ woyɛ adwuma wohwɛ wo ho wo sika wo baabi te wo ba betena wo nua wo girlfriend wo partner wadamfo hɔ no because ɔno apene so sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wo betena ne hɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔno nso support with the financial resources to bank statements and pay slips no so the account sɛ bibi bank statement na what they call misrel. So we application, so we individual. na wo business ewo Ghana ana kro na wote so no a mesra wo business account no enye wo private resources enti se wo Ekuamoa enterprise ana Kofi Ahiagbele enterprise ana se wo Duke West limited company a sa adwuma no bank statement no enye wo dia enti yekase bank statement because aban ama road contract bi a wo ye a bi a wanya 20 million 30 million 40 million dollars no unkase mi kokukru sa bank statement na eye company ne dia na me dia akokire mesrew sa sika no enye wo dia bank statement was a what the kire eye wo private bank statement enti sa wo Johnny Ahiagbele limited construction company fa Johnny Ahiagbele or bank statement na facture. So our bank statement, very likely say be away drawings from limited company, and answer which ya woka. I know the person and yet will company no. So we are Jumama or be na Jumanon so as sponsor Mr. And yet Jumanon kwa bank statement and ye here. You hear a Jumano bank statement, and now also a bank statement. What application form nankasana? Ube say application form no space be brainy ma ubet me a draw story, beautiful story. Na and on a beboa amani pana or your decision when you mono. Ain't I advisable say ube ye a be a 1 page of A4 sheets. Now what draw about what? Sabio questions no more bisa na one answer there, but maybe wo form no mbisa. And na be a ma we a very unique person because application bia no obia won unique positions and the factors are a one application no amani dimu. Why no A4 no convert A4 no to PDF because most of the documents no will upload. Who convert it to PDF, who upload easy. And you call internet and so on. Me a download Adobe Acrobat. Now what they are converting Word document to PDF. Now what they are count documents no upload. Now why a list of documents are what they count. Mr. Ramu, a very important sir. So a year in ma ube explain it. So what you're in ma, naturally say, well, financial resources, I will say dimu. And just so you're in so a year, Juma, now all those are Berman on Kwana who took our year in Babia. But because more household, what you're in so financial resources, a part of the household. Because some more your assessment, so we are able to support wow, so Bahana. Omutimi kase na emom ye hu se adwuma na wo ye no e bia ye no unya month no unya $1,000 but ye hu se wo yere ne ba enti ye feel se ska no aye na fa cover wo yere no ba wo yere ene wo ba eni enti no betimi asai be $2,000-3,000 e dia ba holiday for 3 months enti fa wo yere ene wo ba so bank statement ka so we are individual we are single person. So when you adwuma na we student Mr. School letters no interest 1 we student 2 course awoye 3 how many years are course ni bedi 4 how many years are YS are course so mbetimi akan si supi ade a wo ba be ye wa ha mainly no aye visit ebi a wo behwe wo maame ana wo behwe wo nua ana say wadamfo bi to bedin ana say wo kra no we yeku ana wo ye yire enti wo ba besra wo kun saa niema ni nyina no eboa ama wo explain saa application no why we nyina no wo de application no ko niema mienu ana betimi asi eye clean eye valid ye the amount eno de assembly ne ho eye clean eye valid ye mfa maw by amount reasons obehwe reason na ye the amount no usually no omo conclusion no ebeka se wonye genuine visitor so ye ka se wonye genuine visitor no omo concern se wo ba ebia wonko ana se niema bi a wa kyerɛkyerɛ no wantimi ankeka nsi ani eyi enti no omo se wo no wasetena na wo Ghana no ye hu wo living condition enti wo no yɛn trust wo sɛ wo kɔ a wobɛba mesrɛ wo ɔma yɛ negative decision no wobɛtumi ayɛ nneɛma mmienu anaa mmiɛnsa wobɛtumi aka sɛ yo ɛnyɛ hwee momfa mu kuro anaasɛ daabi mente aseɛ enti mo nsa nhwɛ m biom enti woayɛ request sɛ ɔmo ɛnyɛ reconsideration anaasɛ waka sɛ no mente aseɛ ade a moka no ɛnyɛ na nipa na mekɔ sra no no ɔyɛ me family member me ne no family life enti wobɛtumi ayɛ appeal wowɔ right of appeal against visitors visa sɛ wobɛtumi highlight sɛ decision no ɛyɛ against section 6 of the Human Rights Act of 1998 na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ contrary to article 8 of the Human Rights Convention no anaasɛ European Convention on Human Rights no wobɛtumi ayɛ appeal ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa na wobɛtumi ayɛ appeal but sɛ wobɛtumi aka sɛ family life wɔ ama explaining no further anaasɛ wo no wompɛ sɛ wobɛgya mu wompɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ fresh application wompɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ reconsideration wompɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ appeal because appeal no purely on human rights under section 82 of the 2002 NIA Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act no as amended by the 2014 Immigration Act no the right of appeal no ɛyɛ 4 appeal against EEA decision appeal against humanitarian protection including asylum appeal against human rights cases. Saa mmiɛnsa wei pɛ na wobɛtumi appeal. Nti sɛ visitors application yɛ refuse na ɛyɛ contrary to the immigration rules a woni right of appeal. Ba wobɛtumi akɔ judicial review. Just say ɛyɛ expensive. Lawyer, wobɛbɛka sɛ na lawyer, then na ɛyɛ human rights claim. Yɛwɔ case bi a yɛfrɛ no agye. Yɛwɔ case na yɛfrɛ no agye no saa case a yɛ Ghana case no na yɛ abaayewa bi a ɔba abɛsra ne papa ɛne ne stepmother na ɔmo refuse no ɔmo ka kyerɛ no sɛ ɔni right of appeal ana ɔyɛ right of appeal ɔyɛ appeal no ana ɔkaa sɛ ɔne ne papa ɛwɔ family life enti na human rights claim enti ɔyɛ saa de no ana ɛkɔɛ no court ne gye to mu sɛ ampa ɔwɔ right of appeal because ɔne ne papa and ne maame no ɔmo wɔ family life but this is where the problem arises saa family life na ɔwɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ yɛfrɛ case bi yɛfrɛ no udin saa case na yɛfrɛ no udin no sɛ woyɛ adult na woka sɛ wo ne another adult ɛwɔ relationship a ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ saa relationship no ɛma emu ɛden saa relationship no give rise to human rights because wo ba bɛsra wo papa na wo te Ghana wo papa te UK ana wo ba bɛsra wo girlfriend no te also te Ghana then na kyerɛ sɛ wo family life with wo papa ana wo girlfriend wo na wo sɛ wo explain na your case law so of agye no ma yɛhu sɛ abayewa no and the stepmother between abayewa no and the stepsisters na already 21 and above no almost need family life but case of UDIN UDII eba nansenya superior court decision 2020 amaya who said the fact say obi edi above 18 no nkyerɛ sɛ before odi 18 no more family life suddenly no ewu but case bia no na wasa wuchirim enti oba wo university wo Ghana wodi 23 wo ha wo ye maame oba na oba besraw sɛ oba na yɛ application na refuse na wobetimi akasa me pese me yɛ appeal sa appeal no me pese me yɛ appeal no because all those me ba no ɛyɛ panin no case of udin kyerɛ sɛ at the time I odi 18 no above 18 no suddenly no your family life no break because maybe I call university me da so send no barrel me da so ya money transfer me da so kosra no me da so ne kasa ni bibi o ye bi ame na me yema no it is a creative family life na all those who are above 18 no case of within say case be our peculiar factors even we adult assign creative issues of family life and it's our banner or university we di more than 18 we invite any ma now we bet me a chance still no connection we bet me appeal purely under human rights obi bɛka sɛ na lawyer me so no me kun ba bɛsra me yɛ refuse no ya man asetena no visa no ntimi so ma yɛ den sɛ wo ne obi wɔ sexual relationship and as a familiar relationship which is familiar either as partners or couple now that itself raises issue of family life nti ɛno nso wɔ right of appeal. Now I emphasize on this purely because yɛmu bebree no ɔmo yɛ visitors visa application na yɛn challenge enti ama ɔmo yɛ very poor decision wobɛhu sɛ ɔmo decisions ni nyinaa although sɛ ɔmo aka sɛ ɔmo ahwɛ biribiara mu no yet no decision no yɛ very poor enti woni obi yɛ wo yere wo girlfriend anaa obi na ɔba abɛsra no yɛ refuse no na mo wɔ connection mo di nkɔmmɔ mo ma ne mo ho a wobɛtumi aka sɛ mo wɔ family life ama wayɛ appeal saa appeal no nso no wokɔ a first of all, two levels na ɛwɔ sɛ wo succeed. Sɛ wobɛtumi abie appeal door na only human rights ana ɛbɛtumi abie ama wo. Enti wayɛ human rights no, ɛwɔ sɛ wo san kyerɛ sɛ saa human rights na abayɛ no, my succeed on the human rights no make prove sɛ mewɔ family life, but it doesn't end there. When prove sɛ wowɔ family life no, ɛwɔ sɛ wokɔ further na wo prove sɛ na mmom reason a ɔmode refuse me no ɛyɛ contrary to the immigration rules because wohwɛ the visitors rules na ɛyɛ appendix V na me qualify under the visitors rule because even sɛ wotumi bie door na ɔmatum appeal door na ɔmatum no na wobie with human rights na won ɛne hɔ nko a sɛ wo succeed on the human rights no na wontumi qualify under case law, sana case law eka. When you're successful, and a two-pronged attack. Prove that we are successful under human rights. They prove that under the immigration rules, visitors requirement, meet our requirements in then excess we meet our requirement. We are genuine visitor. Oh baby, our bow betina, we seek our bow bedi and our banswa obeko. There's nothing against you. Cases are I tell hunum so a case be a obi apply na ye refuse no na yakase wo kra no bibi a waye ntino ya ban ne for 10 years enti den na obetimi aye obi wo wa na application na oye no oye application no say oye omahada ana say ye bisa na say ye refuse application da no the conscious so say there be ye refuse that na a genuine mistake. And no almost because we try and try to why you dishonest enti a ban for 10 years. Mr. Obi a ban or Sabia no challenges that decision no. Because case of AA Nigeria, Emma who said Obi Casa or Banewa, I was one who mental knowledge what they case wono adia we no na would deceive and yet adia. So there should be an element of deception. And in the first say what failure of form. Now maybe I will refuse near bisa say you refuse to application that. Now we refuse because refuse are near 10 years ago, 5 years ago into refuse. Now they are cautious to say there be a refuse to application that. Normal refuse no. We bet me a challenges our decision no. No one can say our decision no and yet right because me muntimi mbane me for 10 years because me adia me ye no a genuine mistake and yet deception case of AA Nigeria sana eka enti obi ayabano for 10 years bia no se reason ya dia bano e bia agent bi ana eboa ana agent no akoye mistake ana se wow mistake no waye ana se sebe uni obi na ye nipa no fill form na ma nipa no aye mistake but because ono na ye ma o nti no wa click form no ko enti abeye genuine mistake enye deceptive enti sa 10-year ban no obetimi a challenge above all no wetimi aye sa na ma we nyina no obi bɛka sɛ lawyer na den na ebetimi aboa me ma ha da first time I made but den na ebetimi ama me ahyɛ my application no ma hyɛ mu den na etimi aboa ne nyinaa ɛyɛ evidence. The game is evidence. Bibi a wo bia no yes scan it na fa ka application no so wo dan a obetimi the evidence aka ho so wo ni evidence no a bulky crowd obetimi atworo our cover note na what they can application form no visitors application bi a wo ye bia no I was say we cover note account apart from say obi a sabio wudi mu ebi a we chief executive of VRA and chief executive of margins company a year mo turnover millions of dollars when our chief executives those areas they wouldn't issue. But normally, no, the run of the mail visitors application, for application. Most of them, most of them are resourceful. Most of them are dependent on our family, no more UK. No, and Sandy Pano application now, you cover note at least 1 A4 page. Na fakaho na convert our Word document no into PDF na for support no. Timanye and way ana medebema about visitors visa no. Na mum so bi wo bibi opeso bi sa kire a obetimi abisa.
Yo, Uncle Ben, I think Crawford Fran or Mufra, make us or more channel, or more to main cry. Do answer the questions about our Facebook, Nesona. Meaning, say, many are my bit to me, Abuana, or the some of the reply, and so I'm more ha. My first question I made to me, Bisasa, a request for reconsideration, and one appeal, and no, yes, MBA amount right of appeal. Obey to me, ISR request for reconsideration, Anna.
First of all, no appeal, visitors visa, no, right of appeal. Okay. But when I obey to me a critique or right of appeal.
Okay.
Request for reconsideration, no, and appeal.
Okay.
Request for reconsideration, no, request kwa. Idea you better say you bet home office for any of my lawyers. Near catch almost say home office any more lawyers say who's some way a mistake. The more be called judicial review. Name mom mom of 14 days. Mistake na my no na mon correct no. No sani be no.
Okay.
We a private person when your lawyer want to law say. Request for reconsideration no. 99% who Ghana what they call a bed 4 or 5 months ground or moon shame. And to me, this is all about Monquano, Tromo, and your lawyers.
Okay.
Not fresh, our letter, no friend, a pre-action protocol.
Okay.
Now, catch almost a home office. Man, who said my application be my refuse to my business application? Say, me say, application and twasum. Say any I just said documents now most man from bad no buy. And to me, mama 14 days. Me the more court judicial review. Mr. So won't to me nya home office website. Your friend be a friend of pre-action protocol. Pre-action protocol. Judicial review. Quite be format now. Over to me are populating with any details be our your format I have true. But so one young lawyer. Okay, sir. The Amoyeni. Minimum drink because of way. Minimum court because my British law way. Minimum 14 days. 20 paragraphs and I had 4 and now 5 paragraphs.
Okay.
First of all, decision Amoyeni. 2. Minimum drink because of Sir Adiwe. 3. Near my Muslim family, the made by listening. 4. Minimum 14 days. Mantemon can be the color who post to come British High Commission kwa omon kasao. I was say what they call Government Legal Department GLD, formerly near from Treasury Solicitors TLS. I was say what they call now 14 days. My we email address and or physical address on the email with a response. 99% you know on my reason here. The 1% sometimes ignore, but because 14 days, you know, because anytime on by a decision, we want 90 days. I would call judicial review. But say ya appeal over 28 days. Until obi a visitors application were outside Biaba. Omo refuse so na nipa na wo besra no ye wabusuani a na wo feel say wo family life ubetimi a human rights appeal no but over 28 days what the best appeal no.
Yo, Uncle Ben Edasi, say emoda ho na ansa nimdie nyina sebi se oye application na refuse so a unnim sa nimdie ya obeden ti se wako hu lawyer na lawyers a ebi ti se Bwf Solicitors na oma chrechiru mu sa GLD kra Uncle Ben me dem make say me first time kra me TSL you can send your case to them na omonfa letter a copy to them na any home office for any embassy for ne nyina enti no bibi say no abomoden no wa share bomoden na share sisi a me bie telephone lines no atum na mesa yidi dwuma ne ye 0203-735-8820 ana say 077-879-39958 ana say obetumi nso afre 075-966-20154 sa na mesmiense nyina yetumi edidi dwuma yi na say wo frɛ na memfa ya nya abotre ana say me fa nso na ojina so a emfa nzo nya abotre embia na Uncle Ben cheche bibi mu intimo nya abotre. It's all about patience sene ebe ya wonso ebedo so na ye de ato me first question a ewo ha mebisa Uncle Ben ona obisa se obi bisa say what about what about your parents if they are in Ghana and you are in UK but always in contact? The question is you bisa ya and intino me jide say Uncle Ben betumi eyi anu amaye.
Well, I mean, a person who say or parents no show them best na you refuse so more. Ubetimi aya appeal na because me can say the only appeal ubetimi aya in visitors visa no you say you breach with human rights. Normally, no, will be family life. Private life, almost non-existent, but family life. Family life definition, no, yeah, any life between two people. As a life, no, I was see a protector, no, a father and a child. And I say, between siblings, no, more family life.
Okay.
And yeah, always not family life, no, between adult child and adult between adult child and a parent, you know, mubetimi I create family life. If there is something within you and I say my relationship na a man is strong. Mami ma example. Obiawo waha opesane ma me behwe no.
Okay.
Now, oya adult na wawo. Ne ba na wawo no although say wo hu ni maame da no oya akola enti one ne nana one ne wo family life.
Okay.
Now the family life no I say enye because of mutimi kasa but because of the natural connection.
Okay.
The fact say oba behwe akola no itself no it create a unique situation e many pa na we invite ne maame no enti ono so betimi akasa me ne me maame e wo family life because so life, no, the connection between a grandparent and a grandchild, and this our connection, no, all go through connection. Because your was our connection way, you know, refusal no amounts to breach of Section 6 of the Human Rights, which is contrary to the UK obligation under Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights. Obetimi a BA appeal door namano, but two prongs. I was so succeed on the appeal door now or the human rights key no AB no. Into the human rights key ni BR or rather moha panel net hono. I was so timisa panel no say me inviting no. In addition, say me be door na bamo panel na no or qualify under the immigration rules. Wouldn't mean kase immigration decision no wrong in law. Okay. No, I appeal. I won't get successful. On better appeal na kene. But ubetimi akase immigration decision no no contrary to the UK's obligation under the 50 Convention, Article 8, and UK's duty under Section 6 of the Human Rights Act. No be a door, no. To be a door now, no I could prove why family life war, why a wrong in accordance with the immigration rules. And a two-pronged attack.
Yes.
Listen. Certain cases are obvious. Oba Ghana, Oba 16, Uta Kuhunu, Uta Denekasa, more family life.
Yes.
Owaha Ukun Ghana, Owaha or boyfriend Ghana, very likely more family life.
Okay.
I don't know who bet me I appeal. Now I say this because yebe close to EU. Border no from the 1st of January no. Yenuanom bebre entimi embaha. Entimi kachira mo say mon challenge sa visitors refusal no with human rights appeals no. Create evidence of the family life relationship no. Na fe be a door no. Na prove say decision also ay wrong.
Yo, Uncle Ben na se sa do we wini ma obede bie ti se wako lawyer sa na tie obi wo ho be application no sa nso no sa loopholes na ye wo won che ne nyina oni even slightest idea or the baby sa do yo ye nua bi wo number ye 4814 any twato wo ni me first caller mpacho o wa homa so ye fra o send na free.
Hello, good morning, Auntie. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Free London. Me patro me person me be Uncle Ben say. I'm in the process of making application for the no recourse to public fund to be removed.
Okay.
And the condition say many me no hala me no inadequate accommodation. But patro me baba ko na British agent no so amenya kata. Ako 10 years. But ono only krata me wono Ghana December ya no buy. And I just say many school man, but I think I may save a application man. It may be some Ben saying, in case I know I'll be submitting birth certificate and other documents. Maybe some say a better affected application in any way. Let us say.
Oh, hey, Mama, I don't know about December when your application man.
Pachauti Uncle Benka.
Me patron I meeting.
Okay, or say adena oba December unya application e mano.
Me patron si kasem kakra.
Na sa uniska, sa unim so betimi aye fee waiver amano. Ohema this year dear ya ka kire home office dear niema ye free nyina no ye ba gibi. To say free education in Ghana, you better be obi a wo ba on chen wo ba wo your application. No say binya 2 calls. Parents. And I no ye fee waiver. All those who income near parent. Woko you no recourse no the application so for fee waiver na fire obano unisika na fire mano because the first we fee waiver no tells me say we no recourse no tells me say say for issue with accommodation either say you overcrowded we need rent baby therefore no we need suitable accommodation more say overcrowded within part X of the Housing Act of 1985, I friend part 10 now. Which me any council no kasa. But unfortunately, because I want no recourse, no council no be kasi kuyi free so. Ubeti me a application for no recourse no. I was say a check will means any we income na. Now recently I also accommodation no nye adequate no, and anye suitable no. It may be so we here support with a housing expert and our estate agent or a report amount. And it may even be a social worker, whether independent or state employed, by a report, a confirm what accommodation on suitable and answer adequate. Now I application. By a fee waiver application maoba na fa ye application man pacho memma no wo ho se minisika sa minisika ye jai aban se yetimi ye free application mama ye free application no
Yo, Uncle Bam so Betty. Free now, free no mumienji bio, mumienji na ye theaters ache. Ah, yo, me wado for me so a humanism, pacho, your frau send out free.
Pacho, your friend Christy.
Yeah, I when I do so kasa, mama why?
Pacho, now me be a question, then me no answer no.
Pacho sabi why?
Okay, me say me nya we say if Katia, Pacho say na me hwe no TV no so na number no ye say.
Number ben na oka TV ni so na manana.
Pacho ai, mo change.
Oh, SCC no we no sky no a switch BB off into to be connected. Why?
Yo, ene ma me kan we ma asem no.
Yo, ka.
Free bi Uncle Beke na make me kura tre. Menje adwuma me ne krata me kru ne krata na me kura nkla atre edi panyina awom no wo 7 years or 8 na namfufo bi ayese nkom pese o mo boa me kakra na nka me ne akola no ye den ye de no ba ko because o muntu me moa me mani pa 4 no nyina na o mu bi sase mi sase be ko so sen senka me ne akola no kwa ye betumi aye because be ma no nkura krata me nkura krata ye won nkura trenso
Mr. Omano omo be a British ana
mpacho de bi
penina di 7 years
mpacho ai
na be no nya 7
mpacho onya no la onya ye be 4 months ni
ntimu gina 7 years no so na mo de aye application.
Sana kama ye margin pacho submit a better media.
Okay, well, of course, or a qualifying child into section 1176B of the part 5 of the 2014 immigration way now. Yes, a qualifying child, I call a British citizen, and I say I call what now has 7 years, and a EX1. 1A no akola over 7 years what na 7 years and now you're British and a bium for kola no say we up to 18 no what na 7 years with me a application and long residence no into both 3 provisions in the law no mamo ho kwan they be a case by a British a stronger because of other issues but we should need say we applicant but ma wada mo for no fa sika no mo fa nto ho ai yeah application mama bushia ni nyina wo kun ene wo mama ensa no munum no because munum no be cost mo over £10,000 over 10,000 enti that alone no we fee waiver application and then the first process I have no doubts on the amount or baby I assume Mudidi ABA moya black economy ajuma moya see uni bank statement I assume so ana
better there be
ana ukunsu ni bank account
or will be bet or be or buy and obedi adro ejo no will be there but on said that yes
bank account name
na car watch no ya na so be chase car. Now our friends or person discard to your council.
No, they are two. I hope that sky and the two mono a month no embro £1,000-2,000 a month.
Debbie, even 800 grand.
Okay. In Timosa bank statements in 6 months bank statements. Na scan for no more highlighted na fee waiver application under Appendix FP no na more beba more kwaye. Timunye fee waiver, I'm almost 90% sure say mubenya fee waiver no. As to whether say after that no more distin be mamoa, I don't know yet lawyer na was say or shemu case no kena na otimi explain the entire 7-year-old child no all those are qualifying child no. Say ya kase mu nyina mu free ha enye reasonable. I know the lawyer Juma I was a lawyer here, but me sure say the fee waiver no be mamo. Ti wada for no do ma se na catch up say scan no o do ma se ba o be ko try fee waiver na hwe.
na some patrol Jimmy lawyer so na me ba ye nu me uba consider obey den
for 28 years yenya mo
because ye ne man for na drum ye asori bi a ye de ye ho kojo ye yi ba mu social for ba mu na asori no so register ka mo ye charity edi o mo ba mu no mo se mo register mo so mo ye charity mo kwefo so ho kire o and so almost mark you for no so quiet no almost mo bi en ho mo de boy
yo mami enna Uncle Ben aka yo waka tro nti bomode na sisa ne oma kwan a wa tro sisa ne nyina o case why na fakosi omo kwan a o betumi gina so no mo de aboa why nti wure wadan fofo sika no ka che omo hold on bi adachi bi obehia o baby foforo why yo okay na sini ho sa ne ye no wo mpe we na wo peden menia odofo a wo na ma end with 4127 Fachemi wona edu so 4127 your friend say na okasa free una mane end with 4127 paucho edu so meti say wo kasa wo chire nso no omfi mi ene me mfa ma obi foforo why na yem contem paucho wa una ma end with 3802 when I do so your friend say na okasa free.
Good morning. Your friend me KK. My name is Chow One Uncle Ben. My question is, person Uncle Ben say abofra na owo Zambrano so na OD 18 may application to vary ne application no to immigration law i.e. Private life and family life. And on demand, but my application, no, let's say November, November 17, derivative right card, no, na ebewu and nebewu November 18. Okay. And to me application no before say the card new year. Na me application no more man no ne family immigration way no, which is a family life application no 2.5 no in 2018 and the man no March 2018 the man no. Now I know say to say over 2.5 no, as I say occur 2.5, 4 times. Answer na wenya. Na me pese me bisa Uncle Ben say dates na or spend on a derivative application no, as a derivative application no, or residence no, before me application or I think 2 years or so. And as an application to vary that application to the immigration rule. Instead, say over 2.5, 4 times, you know, you bet to me start saying the lawful resident, you know, from the 2017, which means it will cut short for near permanent in 2 years. And so basically, because I'm a application, you know, before answer na no, will he be covered under section 3? Section 3C na. If not, how can I overcome this?
You, Uncle Ben, be my say unim law na nkasa. You, Uncle Ben.
Yeah, with or your lawyer, pal. It's very good. Well, first of all, no, Section 3C and Cavano. Section 3C, no, cover applications are under the 1971 Immigration Act. Senka ene aniemano leave to remain under Zambranoa and leave to remain no is covered under the immigration rules in section 3C no be cover no. But section 3C no cover no. But it doesn't mean sir on to mean use lawful residence from 2017. This is why. So we share long residence route na 10 year now. Omaka idea lawful residence. Lawful residence is any residence in the UK, which is a legal residence. Ain't or part 6 of the immigration rules are almost defining lawful guidance knows what 10-year route no so your friend a long residence route now and then eventually will be used for the 10-year residence no instead so be called 4 times no into 2017 I'll be to me and say the OD was amrano no so no a lawful residence because omwaka say any residence under the EEA regulation no although say any limited leave to remain no still no a lawful residence into account towards 10 years lawful residence. Then cast 10 years leave to remain. Yes, 10 years lawful residence. And any residence a lawful, no. It could even be say a residence time no near Mao IS 96 and as a temporary leave to enter and a temporary leave to remain. Or because eventually Mao leave to remain time no bit me account. And yes, a valid argument, but a 3C argument now uko use. Uko use more guidance notes na kase. Residence under the EEA regulation is a lawful residence, and we also know. You start to argue says Zambrano no will lead to settlement, no. And then you start to kind. Yeah, Zambrano no by Hana, you start to kind. This is over 5 years ago. And again I'm saying say what this Zambrano no 3 years or bet me the 3 years no I can't the 7 years no now all the lawful residents or why
you say what no Papa lawyer Uncle Ben Achechu many about 41 una money ended with 4127 Pacho Edu so 4127 hello
Pacho hello good morning Pacho you dey I mean shira money adwuma pa amoye
yes here that's
the question is we dey me share lawyer Ben dey kan na me share telephone so nyina
okay
my sister Baha last year no be worry wo EU and wabewa class 6 months. Ntina me bisa say ebetimi afare amakra no mananya British book and as last year koye Kenyan passport and say etimi afare for 6 months. And the atosu mi nu so pese me bisa say ne ma me na ya ma na 5 years no betimi de na afare amakra no ana.
Okay. Well, first of all, no, Kolano Papa no, what's na chromo for how many years? And sana ya wa Kolano.
Pacho akwala papa watina kromo for how many years answer ye wo akwala no
say papa no atina ha for 4 years
Ainti ne ba no nye British because under section 11 of the British Nationality Act no say akwala no ye wo no na ne maame ana ne papa will stay full stay indefinite and permanent residence. And I say, oh, you're British, you're British. But you won't no. None papa na di 4 years or half. Put a permanent residence. And I indefinite. And I'm also ukra 5 years. And Akolana, you're both Ghanaian and then citizen and papa no or science as citizen. To the papa bet me a European passport a mano. And I never bet me a Ghana passport a mano. From a man of 5 years. Why?
Okay, me jidi say obeti Uncle Ben. Papa entino enna Uncle Ben achechu mo no se ni papa ne nya 5 years if ni papa ne di 4 years ne dia unqualified for British citizen no te se oji krom ho ne die ana se ne maame a oye Ghana ni so no eji Ghana di ne die e ma no why
Pacho yo
yeah that's it
na Pacho me time bisa question back
ene bone ntemo na crofo la
Pacho maame no na pese bisa se awarije no ebehye ayi ebedi how many years ansa otime agya aware ena de to so mienu we dey asemo de to so mienu ye kan say ebe take effect what time omo ware no anase time omo de asitra no ma no
Uncle Ben.
Minim the entire will be such a question, but I am very careful with. First of all, you promote our rejai programming. So, but be our maybe a bemano issue be what here or bano episode jawarea now person so jawarea now. the protection now. Your friend will be your friend retain right of residence. Above the EA regulation, regulation 8. Above the EA regulation 10, and a appendix E units. I was at Maware for at least 3 years, a date of our area. 2, Matana Chromo for at least 1 year. And a date na Muja our area, no Nipana no or ye or worry EU, now or a qualified person. And 3 years marriage, 1 year life in the UK. Don't beat me. Why?
You, Papa, or Betty. Enti na nkebe ansa wo nyame nhyira wo obi nso wa homa ne so yemfa ne de na yenkoyinim yempacho wa homa so yefra wo se na wo kasa free hin.
Hello, manya mikia wo yefra me kwaku na kasa free natia yepacho mikia wo ne Uncle Ben na no pe
ye joso
yepacho we dem person with a very quick question. A difference between obia yemfa say ye indefinite. First and foremost, no. So your EU family member, dependent child, now you indefinite requirements be now here. And now we so you indefinite or what immigration rules are say or what 10-year routes now we're training in a now you indefinite. But your requirement, if it's a many only fees in English test be are involved. If you say Uncle Ben is in money, Pacho.
You.
Well, first of all, sir, obi ewo appendix E so na oko for indefinite. Ade also ochira say watena ha 5 years. Ade also ochira no. Enti 2. Also san kire say oye EU ni and I say oye EU ni abusuani. Those are the 2 requirements. So, what 10-year route now we call for indefinite. First of all, no 10-year route no dependence, on discretionary basis, English in him. On exceptional basis, English in him. Also won't qualify for immigration rules and also English in him. English in here, 5-year route now, more for indefinite. English in the requirement, okay?
Yo, Uncle Ben, obeti ewo danechi. I hope so we now answer no. Okay, that's it. Yemfa of ref back on so na fe yen call your messages and so kakra. Mpacho wa number end with 3802 no edu so. Your friend say na ka say frame.
Oh, good morning. Your friend KK. Me na me bisa
question.
Hey,
Papa lawyer, you.
Earlier on. Aha. Na ka me bisa follow-up question na o ka to line. Yes. Number say me bisa Uncle Ben say o ka say Section 3C no and cover abofra between the period that do me the koyansana ewu about 4 days before the Zambrano when wu year, and it took about 6 months answer na omu issue the immigration one no. It's the same bisa say OCZ on the 18th birthday no OCZ to be a Zambrano whatever derivative residence way into cease from that time no. About 4 days after me signing card and coin, no, and it took about 6 months and now almost didn't way any man. It's the same business say. So in between those periods, na card do a cool or no. Now say cover no. Has it been a break in it? How many percent?
Okay.
Well, I would say no. First of all, no. So you can't breaks and residence or long residence now. So we break up to a certain period or my explanation on better. First of all, I was your application. So application here valid, no man return anytime. Although say yes, section 3C ni hono. Obetimi aye arguments between that period no. As far as we are concerned, no, he was living here lawfully because he made a valid application. Now, valid application, I'm going to take his 6 months. Arguable, sir, or leave to remain, nka 3C be cover no. Enti other na on also side period no. Obon fa say lawful residence. A unique position, but that is why lawyers are lawyers. You need to create certain unique positions and make your argument. An argument, it's up to you. Or you can just walk away, or you can say no. So 6 months, no, a lawful residence, ain't I was here the count. because may application answer na EU, and then leave them to raise any issue. So back, so because I need 3C, there's a break in your residence. Just say it is an unfair decision, and because it's Wednesday unreasonable, it raises issue under judicial review. But again, I say a unique novel legal position. I was say your argument 3C in Kavano. Because application we now we need limited leave to remain. No residence card. Residence card and then you leave under 71 Act. In fact, 71 Act in it has nothing to do with the derivative right, purely EU law under the 2016 regulation. However, currently, so you can even through the current rules and can then awareness application, he would have been protected by 3C. A novel argument, and as a lawyer, this is what we do. You need to raise unique novel arguments, because I keep saying Zambrano by a lot of people were discouraged by their lawyers say, oh, 2.5 because Zambrano lead to settlement, and many people went to pay money. Sika converted from Zambrano to 2.5. And they argument over 5 years ago. That is what is working. And I always say with law, it's not only what the rule says, but it's how you can work with the spirit of the law. Yes. Not only the letter, but the spirit. And the spirit is that people who make applications before their leave expired, the law protects them, which is 3C. However, the spirit of 3C, although say any letter, there's an comments a breach rules, Almost say within the rules, he didn't breach it. He did, but it's the spirit of that particular rule in the and the spirit is to protect people who do things right. He did his rightful stuff, made application. Was he still had leave or had residence card and a cool warm or a novel argument, I would say you have to make it. Why?
You Uncle Ben, Betsy, hey, Lloyd, dear more do you see Uncle Ben was a summer dream, I mean quiet law. Spirit of when you know,
Uncle Ben said me that I say na But catch Uncle Ben said me that I say na so low way the time needs to pay me the best no con.
Bomodia.
Martin.
Okay. Yeah, that's so. Sunday, Suba who say, Jumano. Oh, yeah, na ode whom nyina shame na wo ya nimdie na wonyano communicate with you both physical and spiritual spirit na wa asem ni mo ye didi dwuma pa yo me nua be ma won so wa homa ne so wache mefa wo na afedie me di break akra ba na me makinkan menuanu ma omode messages nso abre me no na yakoyenim enye sa omomre no be short na mentumi ansa omonyina de enti no wa homa so medofo ye fra o sen na o free hin
Ipacho ye free me ma be araba be free East London
you Pacho koso why
me pacho na me person me puta Uncle Ben say me my application na omode ba me de me ba na eji o ye uni na we na omode bre me no first letter me nyae no me unso mo state o derivation derivative
okay
yeah and secondly so no me first boyfriend akola ne papa no be ne no de ye ni ho yeah but me new boyfriend no na sisi a me ne no ho a oboa me ewo akola na setena ne bibiam ti in case say so no super sitina me pacho say no be no
okay
I am obane or derivative right of residence because or your uni or a person of independent means or a person of independent means definition of parent include or partner na or kind of or partner or partner. However, and I always keep saying this, as a lawyer, you solve problems. Obano will law for resident. Obana dia he.
Mipacho. Bebano or 3 I think or 4. Okay.
Wow. The only thing obey me I is obey create is on akolano or family life. Akolano nya qualifying child. enti enye automatic or so called exceptional grounds no a very difficult issue but bunya 5 years and how many years ni
me patrol me nya me 5 years answer I feel na me ma apply no mo ma me derivative no we na omo de ma me no derivative for ba me nya omo take decision to see omo decision taking no omo ye ntino
omo ma COA certificate of application
omo de no aba
okay oyema o partner no it's a struggle first of all kolano ND 7 and above or you need here but on cross on your part on your spouse connection here very difficult. I mean, I'm breaking my head. There's nothing in there. You know, he just has to do what he's doing and hopes unya 5 years residence card now. Bet me I use so more the now they are calling support. Why?
Oh, okay. Me there now. No bet me use me at the aye there. Oh, na they are calling support. Yeah,
automatic. I don't know also your argument. Say my wife was lawfully. Enti me my wife and I'm a partner no your family life enti under article 8 no monhweme and I exceptionally under the rules no monhweme but on derivative right no and cover no because on ya akola no kra family member or your partner monware
by derivative
bibia make bia anya automatic enti wo say wunya 5 years no wi and then no ma say more family life no and ya kola no the circumstance no is strong so be gina also no dey kola na support to but America no rules no per se no doesn't cover him until you use article 8 now we use exceptional circumstances
me patrol you na me pemu so na se bibia ye one say ye de bro na utrete ne mani so na oboaye na bibia
e kwanda ho yo e kwanda ho bomode ana frɛ office ho why na oni omo nhihye be ma appointment time na ukọ na wo de wasem ne nyina akɔsua mo I am 100%
last one manyam patrol last one the patrol no me see we home office on in kai but just we first we let an omo de brem say omo nyame ne manti omo ye adwuma also omo work on it and you know that derivative na me hu mo no enu na me pese me hu say dey na omo am say no nti papa patrol we die odaroma patrol
se eno na anko ben achechiru mu fiti ase ne nyina and obisa who question say when your certificate of application no say ane
patrol emu na certificate na we na omo ma me say let na omo de ma me say omo work wo so na certificate na
yes a trace omo nsa kan application na omo di hu dwuma and a trace you've applied something te eno ni what you say
patrol
you ya da se ma
enu na
oh
me patrol would and come person me about office no
yo any account who am I
yeah that's my front office order my front office me near about ekasai take receptionist no me ne kasai no e me pemu no be saba
yo mami nyame nsha why ne mkoye ni yo bye yo nuanom ne adofo se question bi kawa kuma na Uncle Ben nyamre na ochechiro mu na still mbia unyanti asie yi a den application wo be ye intino me de mesre se wo benya ho abomode ana frɛ office ho na book appointment wo book appointment na wo kwa obenya lawyer na wa church we breaking it down ankasa e de amount na fe do application atum na nyame ya adom na ne nyina ewie peye why enti eda mo nyina ase em say me fa me call away na me fa wi afi me mo be ma me 5 minutes bi keke na me fa nka me messages na afi de ya san to aso with the course no enti wo so ye fra o say na o free
hello manyati what is it
adom nko papa ne ahwe yi mpatwa wo so te sen
yes I do me ho ye me uncle
yo ajoso
ajoso
uncle na bidia boko uncle
oh ye ho adom ya sorry anopa nko de na chese na adom kwa ye dana se
amen and then yes yo we are very big one uncle so my worry me or EU ni me wo nkwa mienu dada me say an de omo benya omo industry because omo ye under 21 no na say okọ omo so embassy ni mu a omo fi Sweden obetimi apply passport ama obetimi apply Sweden passport ama akra na. So
me name Swedish law there, but you know, I assume say we are Swedish. No, we outside Sweden or man so Swedish until I approach embassy na or match no kwan. And I'll come website na cry. And she say, "Oh, wow, bit me at the
the thing say, and yet many on no ma. To me and the stepchildren.
On ma.
There onu je memema enkwani memema
banyo no nemba
na mema ware no.
Well, again, no, my name Swedish law, but ade ametimi aka ne say on betimi anya so ba no wo indefinite on betimi anya indefinite straight away because I'm under 21. Why?
Yo
papa that.
Okay.
That's so.
Yo, that's right.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Ben, I'm hold the calling on for just about this 5 minutes. Na me family messages kakra and twaso. Many a baby or den crane chia me anope or see manyeti ke nye kwen Ben me pafai nye ko. Yo, ni odi twaso so say please a friend came into UK with a work permit in 2000, renewed it for 4 years continuous. In 2004, applied for settlement. For some reason, the Home Office claimed they did not receive the application after a year's wait, so became technically an overstayer. From November 2010, had 6 months to prepare for contact order. After had discretion based on a child for 6 years, had indefinite in 2017 and has applied for naturalization in May 2020 pending decision. Will good character of 10 years affect the decision making, bearing in mind that she falls short with just few months of the 10 years good character? Uncle Ben, the question here.
Well, they are trying to say no was it now your application be application Home Office someone sang kanda. Minim the inti I went to me improve. I would have thought so sending about recorded and I registered into evidence war. But yeah, the man discretionary leave 2010 because no contact order with me back.
Okay.
International say what 10 years lawfully. And the character no any issue because 10 years about. Or say it's 4 months short. Say a 4 months shorter. Usually no read guidance notes on discretionary basis for nationality on Form AN no. Or my can say usually no say BB or MITI BB. They should wait and make a decision. But 4 months no issue I may feel say affect no. Usually we look at the years rather than the month. And to say 2010 I would have thought the 4 months should not be a problem. But on the other hand, one can for 4 months and 1 year. But it's what it is. I mean, all they can do is to wait. And so Bibi Wawa on make sure on first. No man opportunity no explain no. I would have thought by then enough 4 months and I do. But with nationality, the date of application, not the date of decision. And I'm
Okay, that's
yeah.
You. When so say hi, please. I have 2.5 based on my British child. My child's mother, who applied for the British passport for my child, is now married with another man, and I have a partner now. Can she also apply 2.5 based on my child, Uncle Ben?
So what partner no any akola no family life because or qualifying child now would raise it family life of a parent. A parent includes guardians and access step parents. It is only a colano of family life on Quadia obetimi. Yes.
Okay. Yo. So questions ne does and patch wow frame mommy 5 minutes why Mr. Mommy 5 minutes pay I'll get back to you. When to say Uncle Ben and Magneti, please, I'm making application for settled status to EU settlement scheme. Can I send it a month earlier before the 5th anniversary? For example, the 5th year will be in July. Can I send my application in June? Or also the question on Uncle Ben.
Well, absolutely. Obetimi aye. First of all, no. So yes, an application now. Minim say old style na new style. But yes, obetimi aye in a month before the time.
Okay. Yo. Questions ne doso na yemfa no membo yem voice note ba kuna afi yemko yenim.
Manye, good morning. Pacho, Mudingi Fia. Pacho made that benefit so na me wo stress issue kakra. I am go home physiotherapist. Na but sometimes na ya na my friend say my week kakra ka me pese mbisa uncle say metimi ama me maame aba na my confused because of me that benefit so no Pacho mami who why that's
Yo, Uncle Ben, minim sa otia.
Metepa, all the same, no. Adia mechanics say first of all, no. Yes, medical issues. Now was it's a unique situation. Even on my guidance notes no crano. I cast in those situations and I was a manoba. Banya no kwa no moshe. O maame also the benefits. So o maame obit me a ton a ticket. Or sky enough or SSR obit me a ton a ticket. On our to man I was so justify obi our benefits. So send a potential will spend at least 1,000 or so on a travel. Issues. But so, mommy, I a self-sufficient person. Absolutely. I would say, immediately no your application on Mesra.
Okay, Betsy. Or that's it. Many are being so say, please, after the court has issued divorce certificate for how long before I can use to marry another woman to do spouse application? Because I want to do marriage certificate in Ghana, but I have not gotten divorce certificate yet, and I am confused. If I get divorce certificate, I should go ahead to do marriage certificate, or I should wait for some time. Uncle Ben, the question here, my name says
well, your mouth divorce certificate, and I just say you go a warrior, no. You go a warrior, and I just say we free, so bit me a warrior, you go now, bit me a warrior.
Okay, you Pacho, when so say good morning, please. Can you ask Uncle Ben that are the borders opening from Europe to UK? I'm in Germany and want to move to the UK. Is it still possible? Thanks. I am EU national and I want to move and settle in the UK. The question or no?
Absolutely. Ufi bebia by UK I'll bet me about from the 8th of June, which is Monday, no. Obi obeba bia say quarantine for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. To go back or show them wumpi. 1 year sa omutimi find out up to £1,000. 80. Just remember so say quarantine for 14 days to be shower them no one to home. That's what it is.
Yo, so question the crazy question being so Uncle Ben no say obi eba or just for 2 days in be a weekend keke no asa sanichia. Or say still or shed them 14 days and so on. Now how is it going to work?
Yes. So anytime I order online ABC Kromoha, Woomfi Republic of Ireland. 1 year truck driver, Wefi continent, Afro Dover, Abba. 1 year exempt class of persons are usually cover more juma under COVID-19. No? Now we're back on a tourist visa. Even we're back for 1 day, I'll do or say we shift for 14 days. As I was saying, PBM. Into what it tells me is, so when himself will buy be less than 14 days. I remember cry.
Hey, yeah. you. You, Uncle Ben. Minya Bemen to say, hi, please. I have 2.5 bays on my British child. My child's mother who applied for. I think say my kind menu de mean free her sorry na yen queen mo asan de absan babim. Or see good morning please. When is the NHS surcharge fee exemption for NHS and care workers should be implemented? Oh, so we dey can wasem last week. Yeah, Uncle Ben.
Well, I'm casting law number, but as far as you're concerned, the government announced to be with Parliament, ultimately so at the fee exempt application. And to call IHS website now, BB, I'm a friend. Are you exempt? Who choose to exempt now? Should drop down. I mean, check but I think so. We're raising. May assure say, my colleagues in our office on the check. Say, wow, bit me. But yes, I'm announced to be our parliament. It means that it takes immediate effect because my time I started.
Okay, Koso. When so say hello, Uncle Ben Magnet. You see, please, I'm making an application for settled status to EU settlement scheme. Can I? Oh, so mpamucho se me kan away na mamun san famba sana na mo say obi chance misremo why se me kan amunti entina na me answer mo se me answer now so listen to the program. You when so say please good morning. I want after Brexit EU drive. Oh, Pacho, o question no sisupi. Ubetumi asa asene ni yi amamia ebeye me de pa anka ben yenko enim. Now, it's the time now is 4 minutes past 11. We still have some few minutes before we go. Yeah, that's our program. Let's so intinoba and fun to so modernity. More Facebook and so me da mo nyina sese mo go so mo so. Obi nso bisa question bi say passport office or masha edwuma sia na misrel Ghana High Commission the notice about say from Wednesday 1st of July 2020 no or mo be or mo office no with full operation now so omode nhihye ato ho se ne ebeya ebeboa obia entino ena omonso esisupi say no mask no entry policy in addition to other strict protocol entino monsha nenso say mreni so na mokọ na ye ka kiremu a ankoye 2020 say there be man kan kiremi no mask no entry ene de omode ato ho enti ye kwenim eno betwe mu keke yenhwe Uncle Ben ye next question a ewa ha no modo yi na yentu yembo asena yenkai na yenkoin mo see I have made a visitor's visa application last year. Proud to making the application. I had been to the UK 7 times. I had also made 10 previous applications. The last 2 were refused because I was told that on my last 2 visits I rested by a car and a week. I rested by a day and a week, and I was coming to visit my wife and my children who had have been living in the UK for the past 8 years. My wife is British. My children and I was a British between the ages of 3 and 7. My wife spent about 3 months with me and the children in Ghana, and I also make sure a visit to the UK at least twice a year. I was informed that I could not appeal because there was no right of appeal against refusal of visitor's visa. Please advise me what the best course of action, Uncle Ben.
Well, I'm a case of KHAN, K-H-A-N, a Court of Appeal case, 2018. And I a case of AA Nigeria, Court of Appeal case, and also a can about deception and a dishonesty. So refusal now, refusal under Section 3225 of the immigration rules, general grounds for refusal. Any of the 322 sitting in use for dishonesty and misrepresentation. And first of all, person who said, "Den obey me, aye." Niema mienu ana daddy, or yere waha, or mawaha. Obaha twice a year. Mamma no could di time, and Colano could di time or Ghana. Manya, obviously, we want some more family life.
Yes.
And Tiakasi Yamano Ma. Against Section 6 of the Human Rights Act of 1998. So UK BB now against Section 6 of the Human Rights Act of 1998. The point of reference in the 1950 European Convention, which will be the Human Rights Article 8, a friend of family life. Because our family life with the year in a manner more UK although say a visitors visa manye sana me can beginning when you kia or the baby appeal or the baby appeal and to be appeal onye be no remo no koto panel na question is yes why you dishonest. Well, about 10 times, I'm so the mama refusing once, so twice. Now filling the forms, one can't. What's your mama refusing how many times?
Twice.
Okay, filling the form, no one can't. The issue then becomes in accordance with the case of AA Nigeria, in accordance with the case of Khan Court of Appeal case, a dishonest. And I say a genuine mistake.
Okay.
Case of Khan. Obi application for tier 2. The accountant filing a tax echo inland revenue and IHN revenue and customs. Okay, say no onye sika say. An application okay say onye sika more. An accountant natural tax for okay, so sorry, my mistake. Onye sika no more by up by £40,000. And the Home Office said because we were trying to actually tax for no, we will be our trying to actually because when him say, okay, so we have more than 40,000, I'll bet you more tax. No, okay, so we have less, and I will be catching over application. No, when him say yes, so no, we have less than 40,000. Okay, so you're successful. No, okay, and say we have more than 40,000. I call court no can say no. Mistake, a lawyer, the accountant, genuine mistake. And dishonesty in him. And he said dishonesty in him. Not just a home office to me use paragraph 322(5) of the immigration rules. But this is what the court said further. First of all, dishonesty, and I said genuine mistake. Now, we so the case a genuine mistake. Idea any person bet me a mistake. Two, who mistake Eddie, I answer na who take his steps what they correct.
Okay.
3, some mistake now also why and will benefit be an advantage be a ways are factors in now moka so a genuine mistake because who here and I'll correct it. Prepare about 10 times. Why a mistake on an application once? About why do they want to ban him for 10 years? And for me, this is a clear classic case, a court, both under human rights and very successful, and both under dishonesty. Our mobile ban for 10 years and also I believe so very successful because a genuine mistake.
Quite lawyer the internet say true adwabo mode akohu lawyer si na omo pape mu na omo ho nsem mo office ho nsem na ye de awe omo na asomdie abefi yo ye wo frefo bi wa homa ne so na ye ma ne kwan na obi so na asem na afa ye nto aye messages ne ho hello kolampacho o wa homa so ye fra o sen na o frefre hi Kolampacho o ahoma so ye fra o se na free.
Semo so.
Yeah, o was so nti ma voice nkosro kakra ma ye why? Hey, so what's ye free we set now what's ye program now you be confused. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacho o ahoma so na o kase free.
Me pacho me kase free Croydon.
Yo, bisa wasem ne yanko why, mami. Mami mpacho kasa ne yanko. Oh. Se utie wo hu wa pese utie wo hu wo radio ni mu abra wo bisa wo question na ebe ma delay bebe mu nti no ebe confuse you na chese wo so ma ye ntwen e wa ha. Hello mpacho wo ho. Say when to me am fengina so nti no mema obi foforo ho kwan na ono mbisa na asem. Hello call mpacho wa na ma end with 0067 wona edu so ye fra say na okase free.
Yo, me din de Kwame na me kase free Deptford. Na a person be Uncle Ben, Uncle and Bacho Mechia also, na mangiti so Mechia, Minganya Fan. Yo, Pacho, my question is, Madame Funos maybe Samano, why due for indefinite leave to remain? Now, so unfortunately, no,ในlife in UK, no, or apply date of the man any timer if it's so renew, no. A difference kakra wo do person bisa say yes on your application no and I say on train because at the moment the date on your was somewhere September and also ni when be in July into no bisa say yes but on your day that must pa
date on your for there
patcho date on your for day
date on your so about test no
test ben biometric and I said
there be life in UK test.
Oh, life in UK test.
Okay. Date on ya any time and the way be no. The way be once date no. Now from almost so many date blow the man because of almost shut it down no. In time when ya data when ya data and bang or date on ya no a wakakra.
Okay.
Yes, because of the coronavirus, and internet when you date within the time, and first of all, man application on your application, ombuku ne a life in UK test, on your a valid application. Once a valid application, on draw letter. And say our exceptional circumstance because of COVID-19. 80 up to that date, or be tested on all the above. Life in UK test you're connected to the UK. Into your crowd now or you know now they are come out. Why?
Okay, Betty or the atuso dada. Yo, young Koswe. When so young question back, I say good morning. I say, can you advise me whether or not my son who lives in Spain and is waiting to obtain a Spanish passport, which will be available February next year, can still join me in the UK? My son is 17 years old and will be 18 next year, June. I have been in the UK for the past 1.5 years, but I wanted him to also qualify for his Spanish passport before joining me in the UK. He currently lives with his father in Spain. Please help us. Yeah, mommy question or no?
Well, first of all, law you know, and EU, Britain are almost free EU name. Transitional provision no cover up to end of this year. Akolano ye EU ni 2 laws, Appendix EU and Appendix EU FP, family permit. Under family permit, I know your form of EU ni no. But over EU Appendix EU now, or Appendix EU 4, your application for limited leave to enter, and a limited leave to remain, which presupposes say, so we EU ni family member as at 31st of December. Now we baba join wo maame and our papa. Ubetimi aba still all those say free mono. Now this is where the problem is. So I know ba yemfa say why adults and oba say EU ni a. So oba from the 1st of January ontimi enko appendix EU na se.
Okay.
But oba say oba be join ne maame a. Either say oba be join ne maame and ne papa and as one ne maame ne papa na eba. But na ne maame ne papa no more here before 31st of December. Ombetimi aba. law no appendix EU4 no kwan so beba enti because he was a family member at the specified date specified date ye nyina nim say 31st of December enti yes obi a we EU ni bia wo ha say oba no ye EU ni a still obetimi aba after the 31st of December so oba no aye Ghana ni a obetimi aba but obeba under appendix EUFP family permit no aye two laws in the area aye similar but definitions aye different appendix EU now appendix EU1 be purpose the purpose of appendix EU is to promote EU4 betimi abaha and your family members but purpose of appendix EUFP is to promote EU4 family members amonye EU4 ebetimi abaha ni nyina eka about leave to enter and leave to remain but appendix EU specifically can leave to enter anti still obetimi about EU near but because obi wa hadada nipa na secure on a right as at 31st of December enti mo bi ango kasa anko ben say we EU ni after 31st of December obet me abaha so we EU ni na enye say wo ba join another EU ni wa hadada by 31st wo betimi aba wo ba as a visitor and I was all qualify under the points based system.
Okay, hono here pass on be ho. Uncle Ben, a question does but me can we last na fe de ma ho kwan na waka o last message e de amayen. Mo wakakra. O see you a client's LTR under the 10-year parent route expired in March 2020. An extension has been requested under the COVID-19 reporting on the UKVI website. Client has a disabled BC child and is in receipt of DLA plus ex-partner makes a small payment. Okay. Client has been provided with some accommodation from a family associate which has led to refusal on a previous attempt to get NRPF removed. As the family associates can no longer accommodate as the family associate can no longer accommodate, we have been struggling with the local authority over the provision of S17 CA 1989, which will be of use with a fee waiver plus removal of NRPF. I have read the recent case regarding no recourse to public fund 10-year parent route, which is very positive and will potentially resolve client financial situation. But LTR has expired. Can anyone provide an opinion as to whether S3C may apply, thereby providing the family access to welfare benefit whilst a fee waiver is applied for and a subsequent FLR in bracket FP submitted. Uncle Ben. And the Yamamariti and no painting brofono.
Hey, lawyers, you move Queen. Okay, Mr. Mummy Bubu Mame. I mean, obviously, Nipano send a text, I'm so not see a lawyer, and that's the joy of our programs. You know, community, first of all, minim sankrofoti, into you be back as a lawyer. Now then, my reading code, other secret code. First of all, what's our LTR, limited leave to remain, and LTR. What's it, limited leave, it will March 2020. Yes. Not just a we emphasis Bosumemi and Seni. Anna or apply for extension under COVID-19 extension. Now they buy a BC near a British child. They buy no award disability into your DLA, which is disability living allowance. Okay. Okay. First of all, my question is, other than a lawyer, yes, unqualified under COVID extension. COVID extension, your former more temporary as visitors are between January and 31st of July. Omo adini bewu omo timinko. Omo apply for extension. And first of all, lawyer, our client. But let's be positive. Obana say opeso oyi NRPF. I no recourse to public funds. Or so why ba akoma omo refuse no. Ebiom or try BB a friend S.17 CA 1989. S near section 17 years section 17. CA Aya Children Act of 1989.
That's right.
I know your friend BB say local authority ewo duty sakola bia want a person bia no sakola na destitute and potentially destitute no meet threshold na I was almost support no na omoma no ne ma me ne papa nso support enti opeso hu say obetimi aya application say obe remove no recourse no ono anso say oya concern because nipa na leave no ewu March opeso hu say because COVID-19 application, no, section S3C near section 3C of the 1971 Act.
Okay.
Derby. Already my culture said why wrong. And he said we'll apply for COVID extension and Covano and here for more temporary. Ebiom Nasitanewu. Minim the intro man wui. Adi aya say a breaking a 10-year lawful residence. I have more than 14 days. It's almost unlikely. Say 10 years and a better also. But adi aya interested in say obetimi recourse. Absolutely. Also oya aware say case be about case of R by his litigation. Sorry, case of R by his litigation friend W. By Home Office. A co-opt decision of the High Court. And to me, no, say guidance notes, no, very likely says any panel. Obetimi I was so a fee waiver. Now through that, so an application now, one more evidence now, recourse, no,
Okay, hey, na law in some way, dear. You Uncle Ben, say, now I be nanke about 3 more questions, but you debate train next week na ye bisa. Na ya ma ho kwan also wouldn't suka crabby good memo na fidie. What my last words for today and sana. Ya boy ad na ya sorry call. Pacho wadaro ma de na no pay udibija and sana ya call.
Okay, well, first of all, no, I'm say George Lloyd, our America, empire, say Yamen Faninsi baby.
Yes.
Problems are yen before you face our bridge. And in China, you will be at your who or say law, ya law, a boy, your community, no, because you start a law, no. And kebeti me akoye adwuma wo city ana aye transactional law nko ba we law aye law afa your community ne ho aye intentional family law, housing, immigration, crime, welfare benefit, debt, consumer creditness, and employment law. High street law, pure community law. Boy. Now, as yes, we always say, yeah, we COVID mo, and today, boy, community no. Boy, community is. The office and to Obawa, Yeshua said, Her Majesty government, the provision of why see in this and so. And now by officer, Yabama Horonsa, there were toilet facilities on all the floors. There were toilet facilities. There were baby and two by Horonsa first. Yes, you himself COVID, no seminar and issue. Omuntimi Turonsa no Obaya no Ohima Ahofe Beatrice Ebema face Ebema hand sanitizer wa say wie no obe squirt bi agu nsem na wo dia fa nsem fa mesra oba ne se horonsa I don't kire say you feel say we are infested and yes an yeka the can say yem pese wo de be mayen ana say obi foforo e de be ba be ma nti wa horonsa no yesan ma hand sanitizer. Yes, I'm a hand sanitizer no. So face mask you be pesa wo be hye. Uni bia yen ya order face mask be brave ya wo your office. Your mouth face mask no so. Lawyer now we need dinkita ho no. Obe maintain a distance of a minimum of 2 meters, which is about 6.5 feet. However, so when you be na buy you be some fi the same household am obetimi atena bom. face mask na wasa wo hye lawyer no nso yes filtered face mask your face masks are yes no are different from more than a disposable one obetimi ahye no up to a maximum of 4 hours yenya sure say obedi more than 4 hours for your home nti yes face mask na ye no be interact but ebiom ye kasa mo amawo Manchester Birmingham Milton Keynes mo wa chire ana say e wo London kra ye kasa enye ehye se bra ye adwuma remotely nti ebetimi ne wakasa by video link ebetimi ne wakasa by WhatsApp by Zoom by Skype ana say obetimi asend no documents no by post by email and answer by WhatsApp your clients no say see na about 50-50 ba ho 50 nso ye adwuma no online ma omo send documents no twa no WhatsApp picture no the brain na ya print it na the aye na ya application no na ye book appointment na ya manehu the date so na okọ enti ye wo ho mamo ye adwuma mamo mo pese mo ba ekwan wo ho untimi mba without appointment enti boku ansa na waba ebiom ye hye mo nkran se mo sabio mo ebe no me I instruct you remotely near your adwuma no da so ho aye ye sure say manye or the telephone numbers na address no abeto
yo Uncle Ben yeah that's with the you say you but oh kase ya obi say me be say moji legal aid na
there be any legal aid last time I made legal aid in the year 2006 since then no my jai legal aid into purely private cases.
Okay then yo MC obeti yo Uncle Ben ene de yedase ene nso yedase say uni asha se acheche mu especially the visitors visa no up to now wacheche nyoma osi yehu na say Mr. Mutiefo bibi still echere wadwen a empa ho kwechi ubetumi bomodia na frɛ Uncle Ben mu office Bwf Solicitors for office no offer just book an appointment na ya mo mre ana time na odi akohu mo na afedie ne ka ho ne nyina ye de aka ho de amount na mesre mo Facebook fo nso na de mo fa nchem de bia mesre mo me kase me buboya na emre no enso etifo no ntina na meja mo atum kakra but mami nyako asi good morning Uncle Ben obapa Nyaka or say one of the best lawyers Uncle Ben. So answer na Philip Amankwasi, please, when is the registration fee reduced? And said a program no I'll answer you next week. I feel so many about or hinimba Kwame. I say good morning, please. As far as Ghana High Commission is still closed, can I do application without passport? My passport expired. Me the betu just say obetumi aya application no now so they will come into full vim from 1st of July until obetumi application there you're online so you can still process it everything and send it but omoba and sana they will start giving replies into no ho kwan so anso na esi kobina see God bless you all edosu ye mi se me boboy nyina emre ne bi beka ho enti no ye beda Uncle Ben ase beda mo nyina so ase ye beda mo nyina so ase na me so madam me ho ase ja ase that you be happy say yenya ho den dia na che say eno ano no next week ye be sen shia na mo before am economy side Uncle Ben mo anase Bwf Solicitors for omo address sama mo any omo telephone numbers enso e dey mount Ohwehwe Bwf Solicitors for address a 4th floor Anna House ewo himfa ewo 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters na postcode nenso ye November N154NP N154NP bomodia se wo ko hono mo am direction no you go by underground tube na obesi was Seven Sisters tube station with the Victoria line no obesi was Seven Sisters tube station exit number 2 no onzo pie na exit na say 1 to 4 or so bomodia exit 2 no opie free wa obehu abansuru bi esiwe name is just at the entrance obehu bomodiana call inside go to the 4th floor you see Bwf Solicitors ewo honom say o the bus nso na nama buses like 149 from London Bridge to Edmonton efa honom 76 fa ho 243 efa ho 259 efa ho 279 eni nam ho 318 nso sa nso na 476 ne nyina efa honom nti no otie mu bia do Seven Sisters tube station na we see so na say wo drive nso a o drive by car obenya parking ewo Tesco kakraka bi esi Seven Sisters hona junction ka sa Broadway junction na so ye obehu Tesco's ewo ho omo free parking for 90 solid minutes. You can go and park there and then attend to Bwf Solicitors for na afedie ichire na wakotu ka na okofefe na area of practice ni bi ye den e bi ye family law ye ka family law a se kra kire sen nam divorce ana say matrimonial say uja ware say o ware monkrata sem ni nyina ometumi edi ama sanso na ma ware financial issues ye ja ware financial benefits ni nyina omutumi edi emao ana say domestic violence na enye emema nkwa na ebu mema ana say mema nkwa na ebu ba ni nyina hand in hand ana say enye bronso domestic violence there ewo categories bebre bi cry abuse e bi cry na udineni ombo wa on de wonsa embo oba na so obema nso udineni wo kwan bi so a wo ma ne nya ni je wo ma ne nya hoto ne nyina ya abuse both physically, both mentally, emotionally, ne nyina eka ho enti bomodia bibisa na wo go through bomodia ko hu lawyer kwan ben na obetumi agi atwetwa wo sa nso na ya ma injunction say obehu akola wo hu akola wo say obekọ fie ho ana say unkọ fie ho ne nyina eyemra na mra no hwan na betumi edi ama eye Bwf Solicitors for ewo sa family law omoye ho ade ankasa na sanso eba immigration de bebia immigration say obeba ha say obekọ say waba ha say na wasetina be ye ne nyina eka immigration ho ye business immigration say opese obesettle edwuma bi wa ha ana say wo ye edwuma bi wa na say nneoma nyina fa business immigration ho no ne nyina ometumi edi ama wa na so mema hu nimde kwan a obefa so sanso na obia wo ye yiyefo ana say yiyu sa settlement status ne sa abrofa kese ne nyina obeden atiase obeden krehu section 1 section 17 exercise ni ade obeden atiase ne nyina ti se odi akosoe Bwf Solicitors for na omodi omo aben na omedi asem na ma ebia ope clearance anaso ye student anaso pa appeal anaso judicial reviews ya refuse to say ne particular ene nyoma ye di hu akutene nyoma ye chechire mu no visitors visa ne ade say obekọ judicial review say ya refuse obedian ya appeal ya ma wa appeal so ya ma ana say obeye request for reconsideration say obekọ akohu me new word am hu GLD department government legal department say odi insemni bi krabe form ho ne nyina ti say wakohu Bwf Solicitors no ma chechiro mu kwan a obefa so na asem no asomge abefie sanso na kan litigation ne dispute resolution na we no ya brofa kese nyina yetumi twetwa ne nketenkete bi a ye ka ebi nso a landlord ne tenant ho nsem consumer credit cry ene de ade anase ye ba ne contract onim se adwuma bi a obekom bi a wo sign contract ene adwuma nko asa okogye bia obeye bia no there is the need for a contract na contract ne cry se tresen bomoden akohu Bwf Solicitors on be chichum no ma papem na asomdwe abefie na ye koye nkrom Ghana fo nso a ye ka Ghanaian law ni eho practice nyina nso no omoye ho ade papa pankanka ye kono land and real estate in bia woto asase wato ewie yisisu ne up and down wo ho wa ye ho nkrata ye si da bi ne ade ne nyina ombetumi ama ho nimdie na asomdwe abefia na say impo opese ye citizenship anase opeso ye family law ewo Ghana na ne nyina omoye ho ade ne nyina omoye ho ade bomode akohu Bwf Solicitors for ewo 7 Sisters Tube Station 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road ne so pepepepepepe na ye kan Law Society accreditation se nyam dey kan cheche mu family law and immigration dey omagimo quality marks eye baako mienu na chese omo wo ni mankasa law firm bebre baako kra omo nyebi na so omo tumi agimienu dia na chese wa wonim se ne omo aben bomode akohu Bwf na me de omo telephone number nso betudwa mo bomode nya sa telephone number entum kotodwa no abre bibia hawadwen wo legal matters ho a bomode afresh sa number yi na ombedi aboa number ne ye 0208 493 7340 me san esisubium 0208 493 7340 sa number we say o hwehwe lawyer bia e wo Bwf Solicitors a o bo sa number yi a no akase embia o hwehwe lawyer Bernard anasa o hwehwe lawyer Eunice anasa o hwehwe lawyer Richard ana lawyer Francis ana lawyer Patrick ye betumi a channel omo e de amount na wo de wasem no akosue omo nti aha na nyame be ma ye ho kwan na ye de adwumedie abewie ye se mansa ntime nkembi ma then I believe next week the same time nyame ensane ambadia ye besan ehia wa ha enti me ma monyina ba Facebook for me da monyina ase Uncle Ben ba ni ma ha bugbani oya kuni wo ho wotishi wo ya enti mesremo me say bye.
At Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our clients' service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at 7 Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us.